Despite what you may think, it is still possible to find affordable deals on car insurance for young drivers. The cost is certainly rising. Leading experts suggest that a 51% rise in the cost of premiums occurred over the last year for those under 25. While the industry is looking at ways to assess drivers on their actual skills, not the statistical evidence traditionally used, there are still some straightforward steps individuals can take to reduce their quotes. Top of the list is safe driving. Figures suggest that 30% of accidents are caused by drivers under the age of 25. Any convictions or penalties will remain on your license for several years and affect the cost of car insurance in the future. Safe driving is not just good for your health. Security. Again, statistically, cars owned by younger drivers are judged at higher risk of theft or vandalism. By adding an alarm, an immobilizer, and keeping the car in a garage, if possible, there is a significant reduction on the premium. Modifications. Apart from security modifications, avoid making changes to the car. Modified cars are usually more expensive to insure for any driver, but this is particularly the case with young drivers. If you do decide to make changes, contact your insurer to see how much this may affect your premium. Drive less. The less you drive, the less risk of being involved in an accident in the eyes of most insurers. Limit your mileage estimate and stick to it. After your first year of driving, with a good, clean driving record, you will be pleasantly surprised at your renewal quote and should be able to afford to up the estimated mileage. Comparison shopping is a must. Choose a range of comparison sites and take the time to review quotes from as many insurers as you can. Don't assume that third party is the cheapest form of cover of car insurance for young drivers. Often there is little or no difference between the three levels of cover. Checking the deals. When using comparison sites and checking the different levels of cover, consider what added benefits the policies offer. Breakdown and recovery, windscreen, legal costs, and personal possession cover are often included in fully comprehensive cover. These can add up to some valuable savings on the cost of car insurance for young drivers and should not be overlooked. It is likely that in the coming years more insurers will use technology to offer policies tailored to individuals' driving skills, but in the meantime it is down to individuals to take every step they can to reduce the cost of the premium. Car insurance for young drivers can be reduced by taking some simple, practical, and common sense steps. Driving safely will over time reduce the cost of your premiums, but there are a number of methods you can use in the meantime. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.